we have array. So what we are going to do is we are going to find the second maximum. Okay. Okay. So we have one more. There are two options are there to find the second maximum. One is when there is no repeated values. See, for example, here, if you can find, right, there is no duplicate values. Am I right? So here there is no duplicate values. If you see it's 14, 28, 78, 99, 10,000 and 1897. So there is no repeated character. So there is no duplicates. So there is an option. So if you can able to sort, for example, if I sort by ascending order, okay. See, for example, if I do sorting by ascending order, I will get a 10, then 14, then 10, 14, then another thing is 28, then after 28 there will be 78, then 98, then 897, then 1000. Okay, so this is ascending order of sorting. So now if you know the length of the array, see, for example, the length of the array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the length equal to 7. Okay. Length equal to 7. Okay. So now if you see, when you do ascending order, the maximum value present in the last position, then the second maximum is available in the previous one.
Yeah.
Am I right? So, but this will work if there is no duplicates. For example, if you have 2000 over here, what will happen? You will not get it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So now there is a duplicate, and the duplicates available at the last position. Okay, which means that first maximum. So if there is no duplicate, you can say directly 897 is the second maximum, because the length minus 1, the sixth position must be the second maximum at any cost, if there is no duplicate. But if there is a duplicate and the duplicate is the first maximum, so how you can come to the conclusion is, you need to compare this 1000 with this 1000. Now it is equal, so you cannot come to the conclusion that this 1000 is the second maximum. Am I right?
Second maximum. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Then again you need to take this previous value with this 897. If it is not equal, then you can come to the conclusion that this 897 is the second maximum. Am I right?
Okay.
So this logic, this is the first logic. Okay. The second logic is that is different one, that we are going to do it now. So if you can able to sort these values, then you can apply this logic. Okay. So otherwise, what I will do is, we will take the same array. Okay. Then I will write the logic now. So what I am going to do is, I will make int first. I will declare two variables. Okay. First largest equal to, I will make 0. Then I will write int second largest, again I am making 0. Okay. So what I am going to do is, I am going to compare this first largest with this a of I. Okay. So before, we need to traverse each and every element present in the array. Okay. So what I will do, for you can write int I equal to 0, then I less than I need to traverse up to a dot length. Okay. Then I plus plus. So this is the way you need to traverse each and every element in the array, that we have discussed yesterday. So so here what we need to do is, we are going to compare the values now, which means, as I said, we are going to compare a of I. A of I in the sense, I am going to take the first value. If a of I is greater than first largest. Okay. So what I am going to do is, see, the logic is very simple. Now I am taking the first value, I am just comparing that value should be greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, what I am going to do is I am going to make this a of I equal to first largest. Okay, and the first largest I am going to make it as a second largest. Just it's a simple what you make second
Second
largest
largest.
equal to first largest.
Yeah, the first largest which we have found, it will be just assigned to the second largest.
Exactly. So you got the point. So you have reduced my work. Then now we need to check. For example, now this condition is false. So what we need to do now? We need to check whether it is greater than second largest. Okay. So what I will do? LCF. LCF. The condition is A of I if it is greater than second largest. Okay, now if this condition is true, what we need to do now? So we are going to assign second largest equal to A of I. So this is the logic of finding the second largest. Once it completes the this for loop, you will get to know the second largest. So we'll go through one or two values so that you will get more idea. So let us take first largest equal to 0, second largest equal to 0. So we are comparing. So we are taking A of I. So A of I value equal to 0. So A of 0 value is 14.
14.
Okay, 14 greater than first largest, which means that the condition is true now. Because A of I is 14, then first largest is 0. Now the condition is true. What I am trying to do here is the first largest is 0, which is assigned to the second largest.
Second largest now.
So it is going to be 0 now. Okay, then A of value is 14. So just I am assigning this is a 14. So as of now, the first value we have taken as per the logic, the first largest is 14, then second largest is 0. Anyhow, this condition is not going to be executed because this condition is already true.
True. Yeah.
Okay, then we are taking the second value 28. Okay, so when you take 28, what will happen is now the AF value is 28. Okay, then the first largest value is 14.
14 now.
Okay, now what will happen? So now this condition
second largest will become.
Yeah, see, we are first it will come to the first block only, right?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, now this condition is true. So what we are trying to do is the first largest value is assigned to the second largest, which means the number is 14 now. Then the first largest is going to be now 28. So this logic will be continued now. So whenever you take any value, right? So this will be computed over here. So for example, if you found if you have traversed 10 values, within the 10 values we know what is first maximum, what is second maximum at any point of time. Okay, now you take 28, again it will come to the same. The AF value is now we found at 28, so 78 now. AF value is 78, and the first, what is the first largest?
First largest now becomes 78 and second largest is 28.
So you got the idea now?
Yeah.
Okay, got it. So if you write the same logic in your program, you will get that first. When you print, once it complete the for loop, when you print the second largest, you will get the second largest value. Okay.
Okay.
I will open the Eclipse now. So I'll create one project. This is for second largest. plus second largest. Okay, so we will take the same array what we have declared over here. The array is this one. I will declare, and we will take the same logic. Instead of doing one by one, just I will copy and I will paste it. Okay.
Yeah, that's 78, 14, 28, and
It is there. We will remove. Okay.
And print the second largest will give.
No, but
Print statement.
there is one more loop is there. Some issues. Some braces are missing actually. So this is for this else if, and this is for if. So okay, one for loop is missing. Okay, so we will display here the second maximum. Second maximum is, then we will take second largest. Exactly. So now we will execute this. 897. I think that is correct.
Yeah.
Okay. So the same time, okay. Anyhow, we are not doing sorting. Okay. Okay. So this is what to find the second maximum. Okay, we will start with the two-dimensional array. Have you heard about two-dimensional array?
Yeah, I've heard, but I don't know.
Okay. It will come to. We'll open that. Okay. So it is similar to the tabular format. For example, so here if I want to say 3 rows 3 columns, okay, 1 2 3, then 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so now what I will say, I will make this as one color, so that, and I will make one. Where's the table? Okay, so here I will say 0th column, first column, second column, and 0th row, first row, second row, which means there are 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, so this is called two-dimensional array, which means, so when you want to take any value from this table, right, you need to have two references. For example, this one value, the value 1 is identified by 0th row and 0th column. It's similar to it's similar to Excel. The same thing, 0th row, first column. This is 0th row, second column. Then first row, first column. So first row, zeroth column. Then first row, the first column.
First column, first row, second
column. Yeah. So the second row, 0th column, second row, first column, then second row, second column. This is what we are going to identify. Okay. So so how we can declare this two-dimensional array? Okay. So how we can declare this? The same way. See what we will do. If it is one dimension, we will write only one box. So now we need to write two boxes and input. Okay. So you need to. So it will be declared in this way. Then we have three columns in the first row, right? So I will write 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then you can write 4, 5, 6. Then 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this is what you need to declare the two-dimensional array. So we have 3 rows, 3 column. Okay, so now we will declare in the program how we can declare and how we can access. So you don't have any doubt, right? How we can declare the two-dimensional array?
Yeah, declaring part I know.
Yeah, okay.
Got it.
Sure. Then I will create one class that is two dimension array. So here int, so I want a two-dimensional array, input so here I will write 1 comma 2 comma 3, then 4 comma 5 comma 6, then 7 comma 8 comma 9. Okay, this is called two-dimensional array. So how we can display and how we can access? So usually what I said, there are 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, so what we need to do is, first we need to fix the row, then we can go to the columns 1 2 3. How we have done for the accessing the printing problems, how we have done? So first we identified how many rows, then inside the row we have processed each and every column, first star, then second star, then third star, then fourth star, something like that. I think you can remember now, right? Okay, the same way we are going to do. So we have to first initialize how many rows are there. So how many rows are there? There are 3 rows. Okay, so I will write for int I equal to 0, then I less than, so there are 3 columns, right? So 3, then I plus plus. So I identify there are 3 rows, and there are 3 columns also. So what I will do?
So J is equal to.
Exactly. So int j equal to 0, j less than 3, then j plus plus. Okay. So now you see, when I say the 0th row I equal to 0, then j value 0 1 2. Am I right?
Yeah.
Then when j equal to 1, then when I equal to 1, then j equal to 0 1 2. When I equal to 2, then j equal to 0 1 2. I am going to do the same. That's what we have done over here.
Okay.
Then I will write, instead of system.out.println, I will write input of I. Okay, which means the same logic. When you have 3 columns, so if you write println, what will happen? So each and every value printed by one line.
New line, yeah.
Yes. So that's what I have given print. So if you write, then it will come by. So once it's printed the first row, then it will give you the one line. Then it will print 4 5 6. Then it will give you one line. Then it will print the 7 8 9. Okay. So now you can execute this. What happened? Okay, input of I, then j. Other, okay, it's because 0 throws, that's what I got confused. What is this? Okay, so now you will get the values 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We'll give some space. Okay, so now you will get exact the matrix format. Okay, now we have one matrix, right? So now I want to have one more matrix like this. Okay, so now I want to perform addition. So how we used to do the addition of two matrix? So we need to add this one with this one, right? Then this two with this two, then this three with this three, then this four with this four, then this five with this five, then this six with this six, then this seven with this seven, then this eight with this eight, then this nine with this nine. Okay, so which means normally how we will do the matrix addition, similarly we need to do the 0 comma 0 value addition with this 0 comma 0, then 0 comma 1 value addition with this 0 comma 1, then 0 comma 2 value should be added with this 0 comma 2. Okay, so we are going to add now two matrices. So simply we can copy and paste the existing array. We will modify this as A, then A. Okay, this is what you can use for the printing. So just copy, then put it over here. You make this as B. Then what you do, you need to declare the resultant array. Okay, I will make this as a C. Okay, new int of, I want to make 3 cross 3 matrix, so 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, so we can do directly. So I will copy and paste the same thing over here. So you can remove this because we are going to add, so no need to have these things. Okay, so you can write directly C of I and C of j equal to A of I j, then B of I, then j. Okay, so this is what the matrix addition. So as I said, right, when the I equal to 0, then j equal to 0, a 0 0, then 0 1, then 0 2, we are adding it. Then 1, when it comes to 1, then 1 comma 0, then 1 comma 0, then 1 comma 1, then 1 comma 1, then 1 comma 2, then 1 comma 2. So whatever we have said, right, so the same thing we have done in our for loops also. So you can able to understand now. Do you have any doubt in this? So addition of these two matrix.
No, that is not a problem.
Okay, so you can directly print the C of ij.
C of ij.
Yeah, so you will get the addition of two matrices now. Okay, okay, so this is fine. So if you want, you can practice the matrix multiplication.
Okay, then C of ij is equal to A of ij, multiplication symbol B of ij. Same thing, right?
No, multiplication is completely different. The logic is different. So you need to take the first row. I will tell you. 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, I am taking the first row of the first matrix. Okay, this should be multiplied by some, I will make it a different color so that you will understand. This should be multiplied by this row. Matrix multiplication is different actually. Then the first row multiplied by this row, then the first row multiplied by this 369, which means 1 into 1 1, then 2 into 4 8, 3 into 7 27. So you need to add all the above to make it the first position of your value. Got it?